These printable planner pages are some of the easiest digital products that you can create. They're bestsellers, and both of these are in over 20 carts. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I create these printable planner pages within seconds. Let's watch. So we're going to do all of this using AI. This is going to save us days, if not weeks of work. So instead of jumping directly into Canva, we're actually going to use ChatGPT images to create our printable planners. If you are familiar with ChatGPT, they recently pushed out a huge image update. You can now create beautiful designs with perfect text. So all we need to do is add our prompt into ChatGPT, select create an image, and download our printable. So the first step is to come up with our prompts in order to add that to ChatGPT to create the image. So I created a browser-based tool called the Planner Prompt Machine. So first, you select from a list of 20 categories. So these are popular planner page categories. So let's say we want to create a monthly page. So I'm going to select monthly pages. And then several page types will appear with descriptions to help you get an idea of what will be in the prompt. So I'm going to select month calendar grid. And you can either select portrait or landscape. So for this, I'm going to select landscape. This particular printable will be for adults. We want our months dated, so I'm going to select 2027 and January from the month drop-down menu. Under color palette, you could select from a list of colors. You could also add your own custom colors right here. I'm going to select blush and rose. Right here, you could add any custom notes. So let's say you want to add an affirmation, additional elements or graphics. And down here we have our style. So there are 16 total styles. You have multiple styles to choose from, but I'm going to select mystical and fantasy and then click generate prompt. So this is where the prompt will live. And I'm going to click copy prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and make sure you're on the browser-based version versus the desktop app, because you will see a create an image button right here. Under auto, you could select the aspect ratio, but because the aspect ratio is already in the prompt, I'm going to leave that as is. And in this dropdown on the right, we're going to select thinking. So I'm going to paste my prompt and then click send prompt. So now it's generating that image. While that's generating, we could actually go back and select remix layout. It's going to give you 3 additional variations of this prompt. You also get a minimal version and also a decorative version. So you can easily go ahead and copy that and add that to your chat window. Okay, so here is the design. It's actually really beautiful. I would definitely go ahead and just double check those dates on an actual calendar to make sure everything is accurate. To download it, just click on the little download button up here on the right. I typically like to bring it into Canva, and because this is a landscape size, I'm going to create an 11 by 8.5 inch design and bring in the image. I typically like to resize it and add a bit of margin around the edges so things don't get cut off, since someone will actually be printing this most likely from home. You could also upscale the image by selecting edit and then clicking upscale right here on the left-hand side. That sharpens it up just a bit. So now that we have our upscaled design, you can go to share, download, and I typically like to save this as a PDF and select print, then click download. Feel free to go in and make edits if you'd like. So the next category I'm going to select is daily pages. I want to select daily planner, and we're going to again use this for adults, and the size will be portrait. For the style, I'm going to select dark academia because that's definitely a trend that's pretty popular, and I'm going to leave the color palette empty. You could always select charcoal and slate if you want something a bit dark. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to then click generate prompt. We're going to go ahead and copy the prompt, go back to ChatGPT, select image, and paste it. I also want to test out Nano Banana. So this is gemini.google.com, and I'm going to select create image and then paste the prompt. So let's compare and contrast how Nano Banana and ChatGPT images creates this design. So this is the design that Gemini produced. It definitely has that book lover kind of almost vintage antique vibe to it. And this is the version that ChatGPT created. It's definitely a lot cleaner. All of the numbers are correct. We have our top 3 priorities list, a water tracker, a to-do list, and a notes section. If you go back to the prompt machine, you could actually take the same planner and update the style. So let's say we want to do coastal beach instead. I'm going to keep everything the same and click generate prompt, copy that prompt. In a new chat, I'm going to paste that prompt. I also want to try a kawaii style just to showcase the different design variations. So here is the coastal nautical version. I really love the way this came out. It's super clean and really nice and easy to read. Okay, so here is the kawaii version. It's definitely more playful, and this actually would be really good for someone younger or even a teenager. So you could see these are the different variations that came out based off of the same prompt, but with a different style. If you're interested in the planner prompt machine, the link is in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe.